My name is Gina Guillaume. I graduated from Bar University May of 2011, and I did get a Bachelor's of Science in Biology and a minor in Chemistry. Bar University honestly was a pivotal time of my life. I was a part of so many different organizations here. I got to go to conferences all over, like nationally, Texas, Orlando, Maryland. In addition, I was able to partake in research at Bar University with Dr. Vager, my advisor. So that just opened my eyes to just a lot of different experiences and exposures, and it shaped my personality in a major way. I was also grateful for the Haitian population in South Florida. So I was president of the Haitian Intercultural Association at Barry, and that also afforded me the opportunity to work with underserved communities in South Florida, and that shaped my love for community medicine, which is what I hope to pursue after I'm done with residency. I do not think I could have gotten this experience anywhere else, so I'm grateful that Barry honestly just exemplified transformation and gave us the room and the opportunity to grow in that way.